Welcome to the AI Governance Pro channel. Today, we break down how to pass the AAIA exam on your very first try. You can achieve this milestone in exactly 30 days. Here is your exact blueprint. We are covering how to split your weeks, what topics to focus on, and how to manage your time. Make sure to watch all the way through, because at the end of the video, I am giving you my personal exam, recommendations and high-yield tips that will save you hours of wasted study time. Most candidates face three massive roadblocks. First, you have zero time to study due to work. Second, official ISACA study materials break your budget. Third, you lack deep hands-on AI working experience. If you faces the same problem, this is the perfect place for you. Our solution brings you a practical, hyper-focused strategy to conquer the exam. Strategy number 1 is tactical prioritization. Do not study the domains in equal effort and time. Focus the most on Domain 2, which makes up 46% of the exam. Then on Domain 1 at 33%, and last with Domain 3 at 21%. Our 30-day study plan tracks this exact timeline for you to conquer the exam. Strategy number 2 is smart budget management. The full retail cost for this journey sits near $1,500. To slash this in near half, buy materials during the semi-annual sales. Pair the ISACA membership discount with June or December promotions. This steps saves you hundreds of dollars instantly. Strategy number 3 is our core 4-step reinforcement framework with Smart Learning Strategy. First, complete the online course subdomains. Second, drill down into the questions database. Third, review the manual ebook to lock in concepts. Fourth, leverage modern AI tools to master unfamiliar terms. What exactly is smart learning? It means using free tools like Google AI or ChatGPT as your interactive personal tutor. Instead of guessing prompts, our 30-day study plan includes exact copy-paste templates. These templates automatically generate customized summaries and practice questions. It eliminates knowledge gaps in seconds. Want to pass the exam efficiently? Here are our top pro recommendations. First, join the ISACA membership for deep material discounts. Then follow our 30-day study plan with Tracker to complete daily tasks. In this plan, you get everything you need to stay organized and pass. It includes step-by-step action items, daily tasks mapped out from day 1 to day 30, build-in progress tracker with interactive checkboxes, and a dynamic percentage tracker to keep you motivated. This 30-day study plan also includes pro-exam tips with inside secrets on how to approach actual exam questions. Resource link tab, which allows direct access to essential AI regulations and frameworks. But here is our favorite feature, the AI Prompt Template tab. We teach you exactly how to use AI as your personal tutor. You will get copy and paste templates to command AI to explain confusing terms, generate custom practice questions, and summarize long articles instantly. This feature alone will cut your study time in half. Stop wasting time trying to piece together a study plan on your own. Secure your copy of the 30-day AAIA Study Plan for just $15 by clicking the link in the description below. Third, read the entire review manual at least once. Use Google AI or ChatGPT to close knowledge gaps. Use our prompt templates included in the ER 30-day study plan for a faster result. Fourth, focus entirely on understanding concepts rather than memorizing answers. Lastly, on the test, watch closely for absolute keywords like the first, best, or most. Most importantly, download our interactive study tracker to stay accountable day by day. Invest in your credentials today and fast-track your AI governance career. If you want the interactive checklist, the resource tab, and the AI prompt templates, click the link under description below to get the plan for just $15 US. We also offer one-on-one coaching via email if you need personalized help. Grab your tracker now and let's get you certified. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your exam date, questions, or concerns in the comments. Good luck on your exam and see you in the next video.